Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, as you can see, chicken, vegetable, noodles, very simple. We've got loads of different types of vegetables in there. It's really easy to make. It tastes absolutely delicious. Let's get on with it. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here. Now, you're definitely going to need onion, chicken, garlic, ginger, and green or spring onions. The other vegetables, you can play around with them as much as you want. I'm using zucchini, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, red cabbage, and celery. So we've got like a tablespoon of garlic, a tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 red onion sliced, and here I've got 2 breasts of chicken, quite small breasts of chicken, no skin, no bone, and cut nice and thin. We're going to start off with some oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper, and in a moment I'm going to show you the noodles. Okay, so I've got a wok here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use something different if you wanted. Get in the oil nice and hot, and then we're going to drop in our onion. While I'm here, I'm going to drop in my hardest vegetables. In my case, it's celery and carrots. Now, I've cut everything quite chunky. You could cut it thinner if you wanted. That's entirely up to you. To that, we're going to add our chopped garlic, our chopped ginger. I'm going to add some salt. I'm going to add some black pepper. And we're going to stir fry this for about 3 minutes. Keep it moving. So while this is still going, I've got my chicken here and I've got some soy sauce. Just going to put it in there, mix it in, and that's going to go in next. Great stuff. There goes the chicken. Staying on this highish heat. I'll see you again in another 4 minutes. Keep it moving. This is going to be absolutely delicious. Okay, so while that's cooking still, I just want to show you the noodles. I'm using this Canton noodle, and these noodles just require me to soak them in cold water just for 3 or 4 minutes, and then they're going to be fine. These are the noodles that I'm using. Check your noodles, because some of them actually need to be put into boiled water and cooked. Fabulous stuff. We're now just going to start adding our other vegetables. There's my bell peppers. There's some broccoli. There's some red cabbage. And there's some zucchini. Again, another 3 to 4 minutes, stirring all the time. This is going to be really good. Next up, we're going to be adding our soft noodles. Okay, absolutely beautiful. Drained off my noodles, in they go. Let me give this a nice mix. Like I say, the noodles I'm using require cold water just for a few minutes. Others will need you to put them in hot water. Some you need to boil. Some you can buy fresh in a packet. You're going to have to look at the type of noodles that you have. Okay, another 3 minutes. Throwing this around in the pan. Looking absolutely wonderful to me. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's grab those chunky cut spring onions or green onions. One more mix. I'll see you on the table. And there you go, wonderful stuff. If you wanted a bit of fresh chili in there, or even maybe a little bit of oyster sauce you could have thrown in while you're cooking it. I like it just like that. Very easy, loaded with vegetables, delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. It helps us out a great deal. A thumbs up is great. And also leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you. We will see you soon. Lots of love.